architecture documentation becomes outdated almost as soon as it is drawn. Today we examine System Atlas, an agent skill that bridges the gap between active discussions and explorable, interactive isometric maps generated from a single data file.
Looking at the repository on GitHub, System Atlas provides a self-contained renderer, a build script, and documented starter data. It outputs both an interactive HTML map and a text twin called SYSTEM.md, keeping documentation synchronized directly with system designs. The architecture revolves around a single data file, data.mjs, which contains all structural positions, role shapes, flows, and questions. Running the build script via build.mjs parses this single source of truth to emit both the browser renderer template.html and the generated markdown twin.
The generated atlas uses progressive disclosure chapters to prevent cognitive overload. Each chapter reveals at most 3 new structures and runs small data flows touching only known elements. Users can inspect moving data packets, review role shapes, and track open questions with stable identifiers.
Inspecting the build script implementation reveals how simple the generation process remains. Without runtime dependencies or complex bundlers, Node.js reads the structure configurations and serializes them cleanly into the standalone template output.
Evaluating the design trade-offs reveals clear benefits in communication clarity and synchronization between code discussions and documentation. However, maintaining the data file requires manual discipline during rapid prototyping, and complex systems may require extensive initial setup for custom role shapes. System Atlas offers a pragmatic approach to keeping architecture discussions grounded, visual, and documented. Check out the repository on GitHub to try the skill in your workflow.